Now we are moving into IDML files. IDML files may be tricky as well because they are design files. And we may have these problems. Text may appear broken, you may have spacing that looks differently, or you may find tags in your translated documents or segments that repeat throughout the document. And that happens because IDML files usually include fragmented text, layers, hidden formatting, linked text frames, and all those features of an IDML file may cause issues when processes them in a TMS. So the solution here is to have a good InDesign file beforehand. Prepare the InDesign file before exporting it from InDesign. Try to use consistent paragraph and character styles, minimize inline formatting, try to avoid layers because layers usually cause text to be repeated. Try to clean hidden characters, and if possible, test a sample before translating a full file because usually IDML files are really big. So maybe you can translate the first page of the whole document to see if you are dealing with a very well prepared InDesign file or if you need to improve it. And to improve your IDML file before translating it, I suggest you have a look at our knowledge base where we have some best practices and suggestions you can follow to have a clear and clean IDML file ready to be processed in Pairaphrase.